And speaking of burning, I did a little bit of burning myself, but that was with a laser. So this is a crab apple that I turned last fall. So then I threw it underneath the lathe. I threw a whole bunch of shavings on there, and I just left it there. And so then getting rid of some of the shavings, I found this piece of wood back still stuck in there, and the moisture was down to about 12%. So with the meter, and I turned it, and I put in a Danish oil finish, and this is what it came up with. So have a look.
What's the wood again, Joe? I missed that, sorry.
Sorry?
What's the wood?
Crab apple.
Crab apple.
It's beautiful.
And then I made, since now I'm getting a new toy, I got a little CNC machine. I'm making little plate stands. So, just like that, and there it is, out of MDF wood. And, yeah, just passing time.
Thank you.
And that's it. Any questions?
So, how do you get it that smooth when I'm doing balls?
I'm sorry?
How do you get it that smooth?
Um,
How do you go?
I usually turn it to about 320 sandpaper, and that's usually, it's, if not, I go up maybe 400 max, and that's pretty well.
And you're doing that in the lathe?
Oh yeah, I sand on the lathe.
Really slowly?
No, I use like a drill
Okay.
with the sandpaper,
Oh, I see.
and I just, depending on the speed, I just use it about 500-600 RPM,
Okay.
and I just turn the drill, that's a variable speed, so. Your first sandpaper, I go up, start with 80, and that gets everything out of the way, and then just like getting rid of the sandpaper scratches after that. So.